Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring. Run Lighthouse and web page test on a real mobile profile and record the LCP value and the LCP element. Once done, inspect the film strip and waterfall to see when that element appears. This shows if render, network, or main thread blocking is the cause. Make sure to note whether the LCP element is an image, large text block, web font, or video. Knowing the type directs your next fixes. Don't waste time guessing. Use the trace to guide changes. Now you act on the bottlenecks. Remove or defer non-critical JavaScript that blocks parsing and inline only the critical CSS required for the LCP viewport. Once done, optimize the LCP asset. Serve images via responsive src set, webp/avif, correct dimensions, and aggressive compression so bytes and decode time drop. Make sure your server responds fast. Enable caching, a CDN, and HTTP/2 or 3. Pre-connect or preload the origin hosting the LCP asset to cut network latency and speed rendering. Finish by preloading the LCP resource and verifying on throttled mobile conditions so you replicate real-world constraints, then compare before and after waterfalls. Once done, roll changes to a canary and monitor real user metrics to confirm sustained LCP under 5 seconds. If you still exceed the target, make targeted trade-offs. Swap heavy fonts for system fonts, replace the hero image with a lighter version, or render a fast skeleton UI while the main asset loads. If problems persist, clear caches and rerun traces to find lingering blockers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.